Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about a VS Code error that I am facing after installing Laravel. When I try to open a PHP file, it throws me this error called PHP installation couldn't found. That means my VS Code is not detecting my PHP path. If your VS Code don't show this error, you can surely skip this video. Let's open our Laravel. Make sure you already start your server. Then we will go to root. We will open our Laravel project. From here we will click here and say cmd. That will open cmd for us. In here we will type code space dot. That will open VS Code on this folder. Let's say enter. Now you can see our project has been open in VS Code. This is the shortcut to open a project in VS Code. Now you can see the error pop up, could not validate since a PHP installation couldn't found. We'll fix this. Let's click here, open settings, and you can find a edit in JSON. Click here and you can find this, and here we will put our PHP path. For that, let's open our file manager. I'll go to C because I installed my Laravel in C drive. Open Laravel folder. In here you can find a bin folder. Click here, then we will find PHP. Here is PHP. Now let's open the Laravel. You can see we are currently using PHP 8.1. That means I will go to the PHP 8.1 folder. Let's double click it, and you can find a php.exe in here. So we will be taking this path and put the path in VS Code. I'll click in here and copy this path. Make sure you copy the full path, then paste between these quotes. Let's add a backslash and we'll say php.exe. Right, as I said, we need to link this php.exe in our VS Code, so we have to write php.exe. Now you can see VS Code giving us a error, so we have to fix it. For that, let's put backslash in front of every backslash, slash, slash, and here also. You can see the read alert is gone. Let's save it. Let's close our VS Code, then let's open it again. Now if I click on any kind of PHP file, you can see the error is gone. That means we fixed the error. Why did we fix that? Because if we don't declare a PHP path on VS Code, most probably most of the PHP feature of our extension won't work.